Hello my friend, welcome in Light Code channel and welcome in a new Laravel 9 tutorial. In this episode we learn about a view route, how it is written and how it is used. A view route is the form of the basic route that is widely used in the Laravel 9. It is used to call the HTML page of the Laravel, which often this page contains the information that the user wants to see. But first of all, let me show you the structure of this route. This structure is of route. This keyword, view keyword, it's definition, the functionality of the route. This route name and this HTML page name, this structure of the view route. For example, we need to create this page. We must go to the resource and in the folder view here we create HTML page. Here. For example, we called it product. We need to set here keyword, call it blade. This keyword specify the HTML page to be a Laravel page, blade.php. It hit enter, it create for us HTML page. For example, we set this tag here, for example h2, this is product page, for example. After that we need to back to the web route file here in the route folder here. Yes, open it, and we need to set a comment. This is view route, for example, and after that we will write the view route colon. After that we need to set view keyword that definition the task and functionality of this route. View, after that parentheses, name of ref. So for example we will call it list. After that we need to set the name of the page, HTML page, which we'll call it by this route. For example product, you can see here, and semicolon. As you can know, we need to activate upload our project on the local server, and after that run our project on the browser. For this we need to create local server, go to the example and start Apache local server. It create for us local server. Yes, it worked fine. Then after that we need to upload our project on the server here by this command, as you know, php artisan serve php artisan, cross check php artisan, and hit enter. Yes, our project upload on local server. After that we need to go to the browser and call this product page by the view route. Open the browser. Browser, please open. Yes, it open, and here localhost 8000. It will open the official page Laravel. After that, we add the route name. We called it list. Hit enter. Yes, it worked fine. This route called the HTML page, which inside this page we write that this tag, this is a product page. This is the functionality of the route page. I think we are enough for this episode. You can see here what we do. We here create view route, and this keyword view must be here, and this name of the route, and this name of HTML page. We need to call it by this route. After that, we go to the resource, and here in views we create a product page HTML, and talk about blade keyword. It must be here after name of the page, before the PHP indexes. This all we talk about in this lesson. Thank you for watching, and may God bless your endeavors. Bye bye. I hope see you later.